Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel OMG Tech Info. In today's video, we'll be explaining you how you can mix two PDF files and make it into a single file. So before starting the video, small request from my side, please do subscribe to our channel OMG Tech Info and hit the bell button side of it to get the immediate notifications of our new videos. So mixing of two PDF files and making it into one PDF is called of merging PDF. So to merge two PDF files, we have a website called I Love PDF. So open Google Chrome and search for I Love PDF. So after searching for I Love PDF, the first result shown in the search is the official website of it. So click on it, I Love PDF, and you can see the first option called Merge PDF. So after clicking on Merge PDF, it will ask you to select the PDF files which you want to merge. So click on Select PDF files. It will take you to the files saved in your computer or mobile phone. And I'm taking two files to merge. First we have to choose one file. After that you can see here an option called add more files. Click on it. So if you click from on it, you can choose another PDF file. You can merge as many PDF files as you can. So you can see here another two options. You can upload from computer. You can upload even from the Google Drive of your Google account and even from the Dropbox. So I have taken two PDF files and I want to merge it. You can see this is 12.04 MB and 406 pages, and this is 9.56 MB and 306 pages. So after merging, we have to get totally 406 plus 306 pages, mean 712 pages. So let's merge the PDFs. Merging of PDF will be completed within a fraction of seconds. After that, you can see an option called download merged PDF. Click here to download the PDF which is merged. So wait for a few minutes, the PDF will be merged. Here you can see you can save it to the Google Drive, not only to your computer storage area. You can save it in the Google Drive, and you can even share the link or QR code scanner to any of your friends, and you can even save to the Dropbox. If you don't like, you can delete it now. And you can see you can continue to split in this I Love PDF website. We'll have an option called split PDF. Now in next video we'll be explaining you how you can split a PDF using I Love PDF website. So here different tools in this website. The downloading is taking place. It's somewhat net speed is somewhat low here, so it's taking so much time to download. So I Love PDF desktop work. We can work here in offline. We have an official app of I Love PDF in Play Store. You can download the I Love PDF app from the Play Store and you can work offline. So the PDF is ready. Let's see how many pages it has. So you can see 1 by 712 pages. Within a fraction of seconds, the PDFs are merged in front of us. So total we got 712 pages. One PDF containing 306 pages and another PDF containing 406 pages. So this is how to merge two PDFs and make it into a one PDF. So if you think the video is really informative, please do like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel OMG Tech Info. In next video we'll be explaining you how you can split a PDF using I Love PDF website. So